a bolt keg. Simple. That's what our bolts come in, okay? But you can turn this into a half keg, a bolt bucket. I'm gonna show you how to do it the right way. I keep on seeing everybody on the job site doing it all Joe. This is how you do it the right way. Super simple. Stay tuned. So this is a super fast project that you do in the field. This is nothing, this is not rocket science. This is not something that you're gonna get all freaking, go all crazy with. You wanna do this fast and you wanna do it efficient and you wanna do it right, okay? Don't spend all day wasting contractors' money building a damn bolt bucket. Also, when you cut thin material, you don't want to cut it like 90 degrees off your workpiece. You want to like cant it completely flat along the edge. Like when you're cutting a bucket or deck or edge form, you want to cut it like you're pushing, like you're almost drawing with like something. You don't cut it like this. You cut it like this. A little tip inside a tip on how to cut thin stuff with a torch. But I'm gonna proceed to building the bucket. Nothing crazy, not a masterpiece or anything. Just eyeball the cut. Make sure you leave ears like I did, so you can bend them down, and then that's where you're gonna mount your handle through. Make sure when you fold them to the outside, because you don't want them folded to the inside of the bucket, so when an ironworker is trying to get bolts, he doesn't hook his gauntlet on the tab. And then he drops a freaking half keg of bolts on somebody's head because the tabs are folded in. So always fold these outwards. That's like the #1 reason for this video, basically. That, and I've seen a bunch of hacked buckets. This is like common knowledge, but I'll make a damn video for it. You can make a bolt bucket with everything on the job. You need 9-wire, you need a bolt bucket, and you need a torch. That's it. So, the second part about a bucket is the handle, which is 9-wire. I like to start out with a long handle, and I wrap my handle around like a bridge clamp or something, and I kind of like twist it. I'll show you, like such. Usually just dog it to a bridge clamp and then just twist it. Nothing crazy, just fast, simple. Like I said, I go long because there's miles and miles and miles of 9-wire on the job site. So make a long handle, and then this little loop right here, I hit it with a beater so it makes it pointy. Boom. So then I stab one end through this side of the bucket and the other end through this side of the bucket. Excess, you just nick it with a torch really quick, like such. there you go. There's an Ironworker bolt bucket. The key things in this video is do it fast and efficient, don't take forever doing it. Fold the ears to the outside so your cuff of your glove doesn't hook it when you're trying to get bolts in there, and then you drop freaking a half a cake of bolts on somebody, and that's all bad. And then the next thing is to make this handle thicker. I see every day that somebody makes a bucket that they do it with one little string of wire. There's a crap ton of 9-wire on the job site. You can get it anywhere. The carpenters have it, usually structural ironworkers have it, even the freaking rodmen have it. 9-wire is cheap, and there's a crap ton of it on the job site. So double that bad boy up, and then when you weave it back through the handle, weave it back up, and then it makes it 6 layered. So then the handle's more thick. So when you have a lot of weight in your bucket, it doesn't hurt your hand because you have such a tiny, thin little piece of thing, and it's like cutting through your hand. So there you have it. An Ironworker bolt bucket, nothing crazy. I just had to make the video because I saw a bunch of people hacking buckets the other day. Another key thing with bolt buckets, especially in the Pacific Northwest, is to take your spud or the torch or a drill or whatever and make some holes in the bottom of the bucket so it doesn't fill up with water. I personally am not going to do that with this bucket because it's just going to be in my shop, and inside my shop doesn't get wet. But if you're doing this out in the field, pop some holes in that so it doesn't fill up with water, because that's all bad. Water's really heavy, it rusts crap. You don't want your bucket full of water, that's Joe. When it comes to a bolt bucket, it's nothing crazy, dude. There's a handle on it. It's a bucket that you cut in half. You have the little ears that you fold, so the handle is double reinforced, so when there's 50 pounds of bolts in there, you don't drop it on somebody because the bucket fails. But if you've enjoyed this video, please drop a like. And if you have any questions, comment down below. I'll respond as fast as possible. Subscribe for more Ironworker videos, and have a good one. Work safe out there, boys. Yeehaw.